So here's a look at the final game. um, I'll give you a chance to look at all of the blocks here. This is for the Arrow 1 sprite. Um, and this is the baseball sprite, a little bit less. Basically just the reset for the green arrow and also gliding um, towards the target X and target Y. So just to give you, I just want to show it really quickly how it would work. I've just reset it, so it goes back to its original position. This is the arrow responding. That's up, that's left, and it's slowed a little bit because of I'm recording my screen. But that, and then click the ball, and that's the pitch going to the arrow, and here's the reset. Okay, just wanted to show basically a finished product.